Millions of years ago, under the burning sun of Africa, a species began to rise. Slowly, it stood up, shifting from 4 legs to 2. It was the moment Earth witnessed something extraordinary for the first time, a being walking upright. This was Australopithecus, our earliest known ancestor. It looked like an animal, but there was something different in its eyes. A spark, a question. Who am I? And with that question, the story of humanity began. It wandered through dense forests. Hunger pushed it forward. Fear forced it to hide. But deep inside, there was a voice. Survive, learn, move forward. It didn't follow paths. It created them. Slowly, it began to think, to understand, and in time, it became the first creature on Earth capable of true thought. Thousands of years passed. Generations came and went, but one goal remained the same: to see tomorrow. It crossed rivers, climbed mountains, fought storms, learned from nature, where water flows, where danger hides. It didn't know the meaning of migration. It was simply living. But in truth, it was on the longest journey in the history of the world. Then, one day, its steps reached a new land, a land with no name, no borders, but a land where the future would be written. This was the land we now call India. There were no kings, no societies, only mystery, forests, the sound of rivers, and the constant challenge of survival. But that challenge became its greatest teacher. Nature was shaping it, making it stronger, wiser. Rain, hunting, the roar of animals, freezing nights. These were its lessons. Here it began to truly learn how to think, how to search, how to survive. The first lesson of this land was simple: build intelligence, or perish. It had no idea that one day this same tired traveler would imagine temples, build cities, write stories, create religions, and give birth to civilizations. But for now, it was just the beginning, because humans were not yet human. There was still so much to learn. To shape the first weapon from stone, to build the first shelter, to speak the first word, and to tell the first story. The journey had begun, but humanity was still in the making. And this is where the next chapter begins.